Okay, good morning. We're here talking with Rich Johnson, owner of Peoples Choice Appliance Repair out of San Luis Obispo County.
Hi, how are you?
Tell me your story about becoming an appliance technician, including other jobs you may have had or paths that didn't work out or you changed.
Well, I've had a number of different jobs since I got out of high school. The major ones were I worked in banking, I worked in real estate a little bit, and I worked in the bar and restaurant industry for a while.
What was the key thing that made you be able to eventually get a job as an appliance technician?
I think the key thing was that my parents let me break things and didn't get mad at me for it. So that just piqued my interest in taking things apart, and eventually I had to learn how to put them back together.
What is your most memorable or favorite moment being an appliance technician?
I think it was the first time that I pulled a dead possum out of a dryer. It was a pretty startling event.
How many years have you been in your vocation?
It's been 22 years now.
And if I wanted to become an appliance technician, what steps would I need to take to get headed in the right direction?
Well, you have to have an interest in fixing things, of course. You need to be good with people. You should have skills using hand tools and power tools and be comfortable around a shop.
What classes in high school, trade school, and/or community college would be most helpful?
Any of the trades, including electrician, plumbing, any mechanical courses, even carpentry are good courses to help you be a good appliance technician.
Are there any entry-level positions that would lead me to becoming an appliance technician?
Sure. The first one I can think of is being an appliance installer, and that involves obviously putting in the appliances, and you learn about the physical aspects of different appliances before you actually get inside them to repair them.
How would I find a company or a person who would hire me for an entry-level position?
Well, if we're talking about appliance installer, you look at probably the larger companies who use installers and go to them directly and ask them about jobs they may have. They may not post their jobs, so you need to talk to them, talk to your friends, talk to anybody you know that might be associated with an appliance company.
What are the personality traits I would need to be an appliance technician?
Well, you need to have a friendly, outgoing personality. Customer service is a big part of our job.
How about manual skills that I would need?
Well, as I mentioned, you're going to have to know how to use power tools, hand tools. That's mainly it.
If I were an appliance technician, what would a typical day of work be like?
Typically, you'll come into the shop or office and you're going to be assigned jobs for the day. You might be calling customers or doing research on parts needed and that type of thing. And then for the most part, you're out in the field going from home to home fixing appliances.
In this year, 2013, is this a vocation that you would recommend starting as a career?
I think it's a great vocation. It's a lot of fun. Every day is different. Every job is different. Every customer is different. So yeah, I think it's a great job, and I think there's plenty of opportunity.
With the basic training as an appliance technician, what types of different jobs might be available to me in the future?
Well, within the appliance field, you could sell appliances, and then it could lead to maintenance jobs. Those would be the main ones. Or you could actually start your own business.
Okay, well that's it. Thank you very much, Rich, for your time today.
Thank you. And I just want to remind everybody that other jobs are available to be seen at rotarycareerhelp.org. Thanks.